Most days I'm fine. Most days I'm fine, like the minutes spent in the hour, when the sweet outweighs the sour most of the time. Except when the hand nods to 12, when the ensuing chimes are revealed, and the sound of the bell delves deep to unnerve what's been concealed. How I tremble with the echoes as each clang strikes my brain, a prickling of the sorrows when I recall your name. If you were nearer to me, if you were merely around, then I would surely be free from the bitterness of this sound that tears at my heart day and night, that bellows in synchronicity with the desperation deep in me. Without you, I cannot fight. I know that for many, most is just fine, but pretending it's fine is the cruelest crime.